Hold on, I'm just gonna go live on Twitch as well. All right. That should be it. Well, I should actually look if I'm streaming on uh, on YouTube before I even. Yeah, I am streaming. All right, great. Let's see here. Today, I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. I've done the attacking. I've done that stuff. Everything. I think enemy detection, so it actually can detect the player. Yeah, that sounds good. So, hmm. All right, so I'm gonna make a separate game object that is just a detection object, just an object with a collider that checks if the player like is inside the collider or if it enters or exits or anything like that. So if it enters it, it notifies the AI movement and sets the target to player. But if it leaves the detection, then it will set the target to null. So basically nothing. It loses the player. So it's gonna be pretty simple, and it's also gonna be that the enemy cannot see through walls. So if the I'm just gonna start making it. Uh, and then I'm gonna make a circle collider. And now I'm gonna set the radius. So if this is the radius of the detection for the for Sting, a little monster, then if the player enters this green line, then it will run a script that checks if the player is actually in view. So if there's no other object between Sting and the player, like a wall or something like that, I don't know. Yeah, it's just gonna check for walls. So if it actually, it's gonna shoot a ray from here to if the player's here, then it shoot from the player. And if it interacts with a wall, then it's gonna say no, it's not within view. Then don't detect the player. And when the player walks out of this circle, then it's gonna be seen as the player escaped. But if the player only walks behind a wall and the ray can't find it, then it's still gonna be detected because the enemy isn't stupid. Because it has some form of memory. I'm I'm guessing. So I'm just gonna make a detection script. It's detection. I started making a video as well on I like a devlog, but I'm not good at making videos and I'm not good at reading like a script. or writing a script, and I'm not good at editing, and it's gonna take me probably a day to put all that together. And I don't really want to spend the time doing that when I could just be programming and making the game. So I'm kind of, uh, on the other hand, making a video on it would probably like draw in some fans or like it draw in some people to watch it, which would be fun because that would actually like. I've never made a game for other people. I've always made them for me. So when I saw a comment on my first video that is just very positive, I was like, holy shit, I'm actually making a game for other people, not just me. Like, this is awesome. And, so I would want to do that, but I just wanna make the game. And I'm not good at recording and talking and everything. And my mic is not good. I need to get a pop filter because I listened to it and I was like, this is very kind of bad. So yeah, and a mic arm. It's just sitting on my desk right now. So but yeah, detection. On 2D, and then I'll have a private. Yeah, no, it's gonna be a private pool that it's just uh detect or yeah, detected layer. Oh, why? Oh, fuck. Uh, my fucking language settings on my keyboard is set like automatically set to English and not Swedish, so my buttons should get remapped for some reason. And that just happens randomly. It's really weird. False. There we go. And then a no. Yeah, on the exit. Uh, collision dot. We just it's not null. Yeah. Collision dot game object dot. So it's just gonna check for the player. And see here. Now I need to make a fucking raycast. Let's see here. No, it's in the laser script. I'm just gonna see how I did it last time so I don't fuck up again. So it does a transform up as the... Okay. So instead of... Alright, so the distance... that's easy. Ah. Then I just can change this to list. And yeah, I'm gonna use layer mask. But now I'm gonna get the direction, which I'm always that fucking I'm always bad at that. I don't really know. It's really direction just position minus position. Maybe dot normalize as well. Yeah. If hit, because that is, yeah, and then you just debug. Let's log. No, so now I will actually do the opposite just to check if it's working. So now I'm gonna just check for player instead of just checking for a wall. Just because I think it will be easier to know if it's actually hitting the player or not. Oh, it's not triggered. Okay, I thought it was weird. The monster was gone. It was like, what the fuck's happening? It did hit. Oh yeah, it's only when I'm entering it. I'm gonna change this to stay instead. Just gonna print out everything. And else. Just no hit instead. Oh yeah, it's not even. It's going through all the walls right now. So if I enable walls as well, so then it's gonna hit walls, and then it's gonna say no hit. Yeah, I don't know. As usual. Fucking. I'm just. I don't know if I'm doing it right because I can't see where the laser is actually pointing, like or the raycast is actually pointing. So I can do a draw gizmos, but it's often just not doing the same thing as the raycast because I'm usually doing something wrong in the raycast and then I'm doing something right in the or something else wrong in the gizmos. So just having like a boolean that says, "Hey, like draw gizmos automatically, like true or false here, like this, like true," would be so fucking awesome. I would love that, but I can't. I can't do that because they think everyone that is programming is good at math. I am not good at math. Like, Jesus. Uh, so, I might just do a, and then just do dots or ice. Wait, isn't that? Oh yeah, I don't know. I thought I could do that. Then no, I'm just gonna go Google it. I believe something is wrong with the direction. Yes. Yeah. And B minus it. Okay. You have only the direction and a distance of 1. Okay, so I'm doing it incorrectly. I need to have the origin, so this transform dot position before, or yeah, I need to switch places, and I might need to do the normalize. I'll test this first though. Doesn't explain why it's. Oh yeah, okay. Hit dot game. No. Lighter game object. And then just compare the tag. And then we can actually get the hit on the player. So it didn't hit, does not hit. What? What happens when I'm going over there? What? It's saying that this is wrong. It doesn't have a an actual reference to it. Oh, okay. If it is not null, or because I can't do that, it's true or false, right? I I don't know if it's equal false. No, true. No, but I don't know why it would be false ever. Because no, it did hit. All right. Well, it works. It doesn't give me errors, but doesn't explain why. But then it's just probably just normalize these positions. I don't know why it's moving slow. Oh, all right. Now it should be faster. That didn't save apparently. Did I change the speed of it? Oh yeah, I was gonna make make you be able to take damage and die. Yeah, I need to do that as well. But it doesn't hit. That's the weird part. I'm just adding it so it's gonna type out the name of the thing that it did hit. Because it did hit something. Walls. Alright. Constantly. It's hitting walls. So it would be great to know where it's shooting. Wait. Wait, now Unity documentation says the reverse. The target is supposed to be in front of the position. And they're not saying it that it should be normalized, but sure, I already got that code typed out. Yep. Okay, so the internet forum just lied to me. And I don't mean like they said that was the like, but just thanks, this helped a lie. Just complete lie. What the fuck? What the fuck? So when that works, then I need the yeah, no, if it hits the player, then I want it to yeah, set detected player to true. And then when it leaves the radius, then just set to false. So yeah, I'm probably gonna make it to stay instead of enter. Just check constantly, just to be sure. So it should have the movement script as a reference so it can set the target. Great, it is set to public. Attack detection. Why would that not work? Oh, it's a transform. All right. And here. Oh no, it's not hit. It's just collider or collision. No, it's not even that. It's just null. No, like that. But I also need to add something here. So if targets or target becomes null, oh shit. Squad just fixed their servers. Where were the difficulties? Well, not fixed, but tried to, I think. Or where are the difficulties? Hardware. Okay, so okay, no, they did not do shit. Okay. uh they just said that they have okay, Squad has the game. It has it have they have a lot of server issues. God, I can't talk. They have a lot of server issues, but it's in these here. Should yeah. They just said that it's not their fault. Uh, it's just Epic Games' fault, which is true. But this is like a day after Moy Dog did his uh, basically rant about the servers being broken. uh, so I think they just saw that and like, holy shit, we need to make a response. So yeah, no, it is totally true that they it's not their fault, and yeah, it's not something that they can deal with or do anything about. So that's fair. But it's still weird that it worked perfectly, like before the infantry overhaul. It worked perfectly, and then after that, it just went to shit. But yeah, update version 7. So it's kind of sad, but still works. So I think I need to set the path to null right here. So it maybe reach the end of path or something like that. And then I'll have a function that just makes the enemy roam around, and then I'll just play that instead. Because if I just detection, if I just remove the target, then it won't actually change the current path. It will still kind of chase the player to its last known location, which I don't think I want. That wouldn't make sense. Like in any other game that you're like trying to sneak around, you got detected, and like you sneak back in the shadows again, only to come that they knew exactly where you were when you lost them. So they all go to your exact last known location and just sits there and wait. Like it doesn't really work. So now I need to maybe, yeah, I'm gonna set the path to null. I can't. Yeah. Oh no, it starts with the player. Oh, okay, I'm gonna. Something like that for testing, but it's already starting with player's position here, so just setting that to none. Yeah, I mean it works. It's spitting out errors, but it's because the yeah. here. It's done, or yeah, it's still moving though. I don't know why. I should probably change the animation threshold. Oh, it's not even here. It's in the script. EA movement. It's here. All right. Why? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, that explains it. I never even set it to false. But it played idle once and then went back to. Oh, okay. I should actually do this check. Not here, but probably like here. Or I'm just gonna make a function for it. Okay. No, just make one for actual movement. Just to clean it up a bit. So that should be done. But now I also want it to roam around. So I want it to I mean, the easiest would just be taking the current position and then just having a roam distance and just adding or subtracting the roam distance based on the current position. So that's just going to be a random position that it's going to move to. And then when it's got into that position, it's going to choose another one. So it's just going to roam around. Or I could make it roam in a specific area. So I have another script that it would make it just or maybe I can, because yeah, that sounds better to have it roam in one specific area, like it has a territory. That sounds better. So I think that let's see, I've done that before. But I don't know if I can. I wonder if I can make a position of the actual A star grid. So if I scan it, like here, see if there's an enemy position, if I place an enemy right here, and it's gonna take a square that is like this big, uh, and then get a random position within this square, but only the ones that are blue, which is the ones that it can walk on. Uh, Instead of getting positions that are like out here, and then I have to just basically just redo it until a position is within walkable radius. But maybe uh, yeah, I'm gonna search for that actually. Oh, you can actually do a random position within the radius of a circle, and it will give you a position. That's very useful. But not what I was looking for. Point circle. Okay, wait. I think I saw the thing that I didn't say was a problem, but I thought about it. Uh, if I have uh, um, if I have a circle that is like really large, then the monster is actually might end up over here if the code is, or if the circle is big enough. So it might just walk over here, which it's not supposed to be over there, but it can walk over there. So what I do is from the walk, I'm just going to use this as the as an illustrator. Just if you get like the random position might be over here, so then the enemy is just gonna walk all the way over here, which I don't want. So instead, it's just gonna grab a random position within here, which can be here, but it's gonna make a ray cast shoot towards that position, and if it hits anything, then it's gonna make that position the move to position. So it's gonna walk here instead, which is way better. So yeah, that's it. But it's still gonna have a problem of. I mean, yeah, it's I'm kind of. It's kind of weird because the enemy might. I don't know if the. Uh, am I gonna have the roaming script on a separate object? I would like to have it on a separate object, but it just makes it very annoying. So if I have it on a separate object, I can just define this is where you're supposed to be all the time. You are not supposed to be over there. And even if the player makes get chased by the monster over here, then if the monster loses the player over here, then it's just gonna get a random position from this object. So it's gonna walk over here back to its original place. Sorry, I'm gonna SMS. So that would be way better, but it's gonna. Yeah, no, that would be better. Yeah, I'm gonna make it like that. Yeah, that's. Yeah. But that's the detection script. I don't want that. Make it a row area. Make it there. And do a not a collider. Or yeah, no, I'm gonna make a collider because it's very well, very good for just displaying the radius of it. I should remove the animator. I don't need it. And I should also remove that stuff. Yeah, no, this looks way better. Contact capture layer, nothing. Layer, nothing. It's not gonna interact with anything. And then I'm just gonna make the roam area really large, like that. And I'm gonna make another script that is roam area. So I'm gonna copy this. Oh no, oh, right there. Just do a public void get new um boss. And I'm not gonna make it void. I'm gonna make it a vector 2. Yeah, I'm gonna make it 10. Ooh. Yeah, it did. Yeah. Okay. No, I'm not gonna make a return yet. So when it wants a new position, it's gonna grab just a random position inside the circle within the radius. I mean, I'm just gonna copy from Unreal or Unity documentation. And then, oh no, I'm gonna copy this. And, oh no, it's not supposed to be there. Vector to random 2D? No, fuck. Random 3, or vector 3, I guess. And just have random pulse. Or can I do it vector 2? Oh, I can. All right. Yeah, no, I don't need any of that. Just can I not? Is it not a position? Oh, it has to be a vector 3. Or, yeah. Can I make this into a vector 2, though? Yeah. Okay. Layer mask. Just gonna check for wall instead. Right? It's called wall. Or I have made. Yeah. Okay. No. I'm just gonna add a tag that is wall. And then can okay, yeah, no, that's good. Okay, just gonna do a return, but it's gonna return yeah, here it's gonna return R false. And here it's gonna return hit dot transform dot position. And it's supposed to be there we go. And if it's not wall, no, I'm not even gonna make it check for that. Just do that. Yeah. I don't even need the tag for the walls then. Yeah. So now I can just see the roam radius by the circle collider radius. It's just a simple way of displaying it. No gizmos or anything needed. So I wanted to just check for walls. Yeah, and this is a function that returns a vector 2. So now I just need the movement script to call upon this vector or this fact. Okay, I'm tired. This function. So I'll do that when you know when path is null, then I'll just get get that thing as a target. Yeah. So no, I can make it private. Or yeah, or yeah, I thought I from area dot Yeah, I'm totally out of it. Get new roam position. Get new roam position. But that's not a target. I needed to. Okay, I need the roam area to have a child. That it's gonna teleport around. So instead of doing that, it's gonna have the this dot transform dot dot get child index 0.1. Initial child transform to return must be smaller than transform child count. I mean, yeah, that should work. I'm thinking either 0 or 1, but I think it's 1. No, it should be 0, actually. And then I just dot trans. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's transform equals and now I need to set it the actual either the hit or the old RPOS. No, yeah, transform to a dot. No, I'll do the same thing here for or yeah, but that was the bad thing about it, because I have to have a no. I'm gonna make a new object, a new child. It doesn't even have to be a child. I'm just gonna make a new object. And just make it a way point like that, and that's it. It's just a game object, nothing else. And here I'm just gonna make it field. or yeah, it would be a game object. Is the way and just above it, I'll do an instantiate. Instantiate. By oh yeah, waypoint and just transform like that. And instead of yeah, game object zone, and here I'll just give it clone transform. Instead. So if all right. So here, when I'm checking for the distance, and the distance is less than next waypoint distance, then I wanted to check if the no, here, reached end of path. So if reached end of path is actually true, then I wanted to delete the target. So I'm just gonna make an if here. If target dot the game object dot name, just do a check if it's equal to or no, I'm gonna make it contains so if it contains waypoint, then I want it to destroy target.game object. And I also want to set target to null. No, yeah. And I wanted to get another waypoint. So but in the detection here, I wanted to make the path null as well. Right, yeah. So it isn't following the waypoint that it's using. So it's gonna set the But that I'm gonna make this into an actual function and make it public. Okay. Then I'll have a boolean here that is get new waypoint and get waypoint. And make it through here. But here, no, a movement get new, no, what the fuck did I name it? Remove waypoint. Remove waypoint. False. Yeah. So then it will. Yeah, I'm just thinking, is there any way that the monster will actually not will actually make so that, oh no, it should be fine, I think. Even if it kind of fucks up. And I haven't said anything. So first off, waypoint is, yeah, no, it's not supposed to be set, but roam area here, that should be it. Oh yeah, wait, I set that in, yeah, no, roam area, and then, yeah, waypoint is supposed to be, yeah, okay. And it's making a bunch of fucking waypoints. Transform shell out of bounds. It's not supposed to be a. I thought I changed that. Okay, I just totally forgot that. Just clone instead. All right, and that should have fixed the amount of children or amount of waypoints being made. Yeah. Except, why the fuck is it going over there? Oh, it's going to 000. Ah. Why? It should be set to. Offers a sunset object. Alright, I'll solve that later. But this. Why would it get to 000? Because it's. Is this from 0? But it's still. What? It's still going to absolute 000. So I don't get it. Why every single time it's going 000? Yeah. And why is it making 2 clones? So how the fuck can it be? No, hold on. If I remove that, then it should be the parent here. Yeah, okay. So somehow it's just not. The hit to transform position and arc pos is always 000, which is very weird because why would it ever be that? So let's see here. It's shooting from transformed opposition in a direction which is whatever direction is towards the random position. But the random position, let's see here. If I do a debug and have our The fuck is that? Just like that. What will I get? Is it 0, 0, 0? No. It's not. It's actually random values. So why would it... So that means that the raycast, there's something wrong with the raycast. Yeah, because these are actually random numbers that it's trying to walk to. But I believe that it is around the 0 position instead of this position. So that's also a problem. Pretty easy to solve though, but so I'm just gonna get this, and before I set it to that, I'm just gonna do a plus transform position here. And yeah, I'm gonna make it e vector 2. There we go. So now it's actually gonna be focused around the actual area and not 0, 0, 0. But the raycast is still incorrect. Why, I don't know. I'm just gonna try this, I guess. Yeah, it doesn't work. But this now works. Alright, great. So let's see here. I want the distance doesn't matter, but direction. If I have, wait. Yeah, it's not 0. Okay. So now, when the set is 0, is it actually, nope. It's always raycast. Like, every single time I get stuck, it's on a raycast. Otherwise, it's mostly just me bitching about something that isn't that hard to do. Like, if I actually get stuck, it's because of a raycast. Like, this is so annoying. Let's see, right? Direction. It's gonna be the other with this. Okay. Does it now work with vector 2s? That's the only thing that I can see here that is off. But I don't know. If I go vector 3 instead, I'll change this to 3. Oh, no. Wait, is this? Yeah, okay. Maybe it works now. Yeah, now it works. And then it just gets a bunch of errors. But it works. I don't know why it makes 2 waypoints though. Over. So it's AI movement, remove waypoint, uses get waypoint. It apparently can't do that. Why wouldn't it be able to do that? I I'm just gonna remove some stuff. This is getting confusing. Or yeah, no, I can make this one over here. Yeah. So why get in your own position? First, why does it run twice? Is my question. Why? It plays. Okay. Okay. No, I don't have that here. So if path is in your wrong position, but wouldn't yeah, no, I'm probably gonna yeah, okay. I'm gonna update the path right after that. That would probably stop the two. Yeah, that was just fine. Great. I'm gonna make these smaller. No, node size. What? What? They have to I'll scan it again? Why would that have changed anything? Why did that? What? It were totally fine when I. What the fuck? Okay, I don't know what the fuck that was, but now I know what caused the all those errors. I'm still using a target here. But no, it didn't have a target, so it can remove. Yeah, because it. Oh! Okay. Yeah, no, I understand it. Yep, I can't destroy the target if I'm gonna reference it again. So I'm gonna destroy it at the last possible moment. No, that's not. That's not even what it was complaining about. Uh, so if yeah, no, I'm gonna check if so if target is not equal null, then I'm gonna do this or do that. But else if then this. No. No, I don't even want that as an else. I just want it as an if right there. Yeah. But it's still at 0, 0. I don't know why, but it is. I, I don't get it. And now it's small. Why would it be there? Did I. What? Did I fuck something up? Did I not Yeah, I add the transform dot position here. Why? It worked. It literally worked. Why? Oh, I'm still doing a debug.log there though. And it's, yeah, no, it's good. So I'm gonna fucking fix this. Send web request. Okay, I should have stopped that error from coming up. Get to an error shaking updates. All right. But I don't get it how it can work and then just not work. And it works. Yeah, fuck you, Unity. What? How? So I don't have to fix anything? I don't have to do anything? Uh, I don't. No, then it's back. Oh, it's back. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what I think is happening is the raycast system is fucked. Because I think all of those positions in the beginning were true positions. So those were true random positions. But as soon as it was like in a wall and a raycast shut out, hit the wall, then it teleported to 000. Why? I have no fucking idea. I uh, I might not even need that though. If I just do it like that, I don't think it will make a difference. Or yeah, it will make a difference if something spawns over here. Yeah. What? Oh yeah, because yeah, I did the wrong thing. Why can I? Yeah, okay. Yeah, so okay, I think that this thing was actually in the wall, right? Yeah, it was in the wall, and then it's like, yeah, no, fuck it, take the closest location, uh, which sounds good, but as soon as it's over here, it's not good. Like this, it's not good. I I don't even know anymore. I have no idea. Why? What was wrong with all of these? And why is he just spinning? Oh, he can't actually get that close to the next. Oh no. Oh fuck. It's trying to go right here and it can't turn because it's constantly moving when next to trying to get the target. So it's just gonna spin like this forever. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good. But that's an issue for another day. I just gotta fix the waypoint system. Don't know why it's giving me errors. Overdraft reference not set an instant AI move, remove waypoint system, pull, get new waypoint. Okay, AI movement isn't set to an instance of an object. That's what I'm getting at this. But or what? Or is it that target? Overgraph is not set to an instant object. Wait, target? Yeah, because Jesus Christ, I am fucking stupid. Hey, I can't set the target. I can't set the target to null and then delete target. It's like, what? What? I can't believe it. Like, how? How? What? Yeah, all right. It just faced through the wall. Okay. Uh, yeah, doing that a lot. I don't want it to do that. Now I made it so it isn't that close to the walls, which is better. It's probably not gonna glide through any walls. But now it should start roaming around. And it's not making duplicates. And yeah, that's great. Except it's walking in acid. So, yay. Don't know why it did that. it is still making 2 waypoints. Don't know why it's doing that. Fine. Let's see if this works. If I move toward the enemy and then move out of range of the enemy, it is following me, and then it's starting a new. Holy shit. We got a kind of functioning AI, or we actually a functioning AI. We should probably have 2 different speeds. One for attacking the player and one for just roaming around. So yeah. But I need this to work. Because that would just be great. Like, it would be fucking awesome. And it wouldn't fuck up. And I just can't think of a way that this wouldn't work. I'm gonna take a short break. Uh, yeah. Yeah. I'll see you in a minute. All right, I'm back. So yeah, no, I'm gonna make this totally separate thing and just have a go-to. Just 9, name it that. 2, go. Yes, I'm not. I don't know. Say vector 3 up with vector dot x comma vector dot y 0, because I think it's misplacing these somewhere. Oh yeah, let's do u vector. That might work. Instead of this, just it's position. Oh, let's see here. It does again, yeah. No, it just places it right there. But did it? I don't. Oh, okay. Why it's just making a new waypoint constantly is because it's making them at 0, 0, 0. So it's already there. So then the actual problem is with the direction, I believe, which would be very weird because it worked right here. So I don't get it. Oh, I okay. Okay, I get it. I get it. Oh, I'm stupid. Um, isn't it dot like uh point? Like yeah, it's just point. Oh, fuck. Of course it's point. Yeah, because the walls, it hit the walls, and they're like, oh, well, the game object for walls is at 000. Because if it contacts like here's the contact, then it's just gonna get the object, which is every single wall here, everything green that's a wall, and that is just one singular object based on 000. So yeah, I still even don't get why it's changing the position twice. It shouldn't do that. But wait, no, it doesn't get changed twice. It's the same waypoint, but the way to get there is different. Why would it? No, it goes through a few hundred. Let me clear this. How many does it make? 86. It just cycles through. Okay, no, I really have to fix that. If I can just I'll just increase next waypoint distance and the rotation speed as well. Probably actually lower speed. Why would it do that? Why would it just totally change? What? I, I don't get it. So that should mean that the movement script is requesting get new roam position a lot, like way more than it should, even from a fixed update. And it's still updating the path right after. So why would it be updating? So what the fuck does on path complete does do? Yeah, no, I need to set in remove waypoint here. I need to set reach end of path false and current waypoint to 0. Now I play it 8 times instead. Better. Oh, what's 1? That's also 1. 6 times. Yeah, no, that's not bad. Oh shit. Wait, so when it was traveling straight down, it was not playing the animation for walking. Holy shit. Yeah, no, it wouldn't have. That's actually a bug in the code. Or maybe more correctly, an oversight of me. So this should actually be that. No, it should be 4 here as well. Yeah, that's a lot. But yeah. But no, this is wrong. Yeah, it should never actually do that. I should have solved it. Let's see if it did. No, it didn't. It should have, but it didn't. Yeah, it did. That's not great. Having the AI kind of bug out your walls and go through them. And having it happen quite often. It's mostly because it's just trying to get so many fucking targets. I I don't get it. Where is it trying to? Okay. If object is null. Okay. I'm tired. I started playing the game and I was like, what am I supposed to do? Yeah, I'm just supposed to wait for the enemy to move. Fun. And now it only does it once. Correct? Please. No. And no. 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 I didn't do that. I just don't know why it runs the code so many times. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna fix it tomorrow, probably. Hopefully. God, I thought this was gonna be like I've done this several times before, and I was like, this time it's gonna be easy because I've done it a few times. No, no, it's never fucking easy. Well, I'm gonna end it here. Good night.